These are images of the last presidential polls in Africa up till 27th of December 2017. The second rounds of presidential elections in Liberia that had as winner George Weah after 2 experiences as candidate. Many elections were held in Africa and in the rest of the world during the year 2017. In Africa, particularly in Gambia, legislative elections were held on the 6th of April 2017, following the presidential one in December of the same year, won by Adama Barrow. 30th July 2017, Senegalese were at the polls for legislative elections that offered 125 out of these 165 seats to the party in power. Macky Sall then had the absolute majority in parliament. Paul Kagame of Rwanda re-elected after the 4th of August 2017 presidential elections with 98.5% of votes. Following the nullification of the presidential votes of the 8th August 2017 by the Kenya Supreme Court for electoral fraud, Uhuru Kenyatta was re-elected during the 25th October presidential polls with 98.3% of votes with 42.5% abstention. Outside Africa, the 12th February and 24th September legislative election gave an entry to the Bundestag of the Germany Alternative Party. Elections that grants majority to the CDU, CSU, and in France, the 23rd April and the 7th May presidential elections made Emmanuel Macron of the République En Marche party president of the French Republic, having 66.1% of votes, faced with Marine Le Pen of the right-wing party. 10 months after the Brexit, Theresa May convened the British electoral body to the legislative polls in view of checking and balancing her party's position faced with the Brexit. Theresa May, after this, had a minority government. You recall the referendum held in Turkey.